Hi, everyone. We have bought all of our properties, but buying is not always the best option. The bad thing about buying is you've got your money all locked up. You got mortgages to pay, or you paid off the mortgage, but your money's essentially locked up in that asset. And I guess the hope is that the property values will go up, so it'll be a ascending asset. But there's something to be said for not buying, for renting. If you can find a landlord that's sympathetic, a landlord that needs to rent, it can be a good thing. You need to find someone who hasn't been able to find a renter for quite a while. And if you're going to do Airbnb, it should be in an area that is safe and desirable to stay, and it's easy to get to, and it's easy to explain how to get there. If it doesn't have these assets, then I wouldn't rent there. So it's got to have those things. It can't be just anywhere. It's got to be safe, easy to access, easy to explain how to get there, and all of those things. So yeah, keep that in mind. What we're talking about here is Airbnb rental arbitrage, which is just a fancy name for renting. I don't know why people come up with these names to make themselves more important or something, but that's what we're talking about. I think it's Airbnb rental arbitrage is a huge challenge. I think you're more likely to be able to get a landlord to rent to you if you know the person. You have some kind of personal connection. Trying to convince someone that you don't know that you want to rent their place and you're going to do Airbnb. I think most landlords are going to say no to that.